Biscuits from a box? Okay. I'm gonna call these homemade biscuits too. I made them at home. Shh, don't tell anybody, okay? Now I don't even know how to. 2 cups of mixed, half cup. Is that a half? Jeez, I can't even see that far. Is that a half a cup? It's so small. Take the French writing off and I could probably read it easier. I think that's a half. And a tablespoon of oil, okay. Okay, so 2 cups. I used this for waffles once, I think. So 2, that's a half. So let's see here. 1, 4, okay. So I need that. And then what am I supposed to, half a cup of milk, a little oil, mix and drop. Okay, let's go. Half a cup of milk. What was the other one? Oil? I don't have vegetable oil. I'm gonna use olive oil, tablespoon. I need a spoon. I don't have a spoon. I need a spoon to mix. A tray. Bake. What's this supposed to? 450. I need a tray. Okay. So I'm supposed to mix until a soft dough forms. Okay. Just don't tell anyone I'm making biscuits from a box, okay? Okay, we've got a soft dough. I'm gonna brush them with some butter. 8, huh? Interesting. Let's see. Smaller, I'll get more out of them. A little tiny. Almost had an uh-oh. So let's see, they said 8. How many did I divide that into already? 3, 6, 8. Well, there you go. So this one should be a little bit bigger. Should be a little bit bigger. Let's roll them into a little bit of a semi-ball. Once you've got them all rolled out, always, most important step is you always have to remember to ask yourself, how big are your balls? Space, press them down. I'm gonna press those down a little bit. Okay, nice. Where's our brush? I'm brushing them with a little bit of butter. The recipe didn't say to do it, but I'm doing it anyways. Hit them with some more butter when they come out of the oven. How about that? 11 to 13 minutes, okay. Oh yeah. Biscuits from a box. Shh. Little brush, some butter. Look at that. Oh, daddy, look at that. No one needs to know. They're not gonna know. Leave them cool a little bit. If you don't have the time, just cheat a little bit. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. I'm not giving them the triple boom, but they're gonna get the boom. I'm not ashamed, and neither should you.